Yeah, hello everyone. Thanks for watching my videos. Can you please subscribe and share with your friends and your colleagues, guys, and support me, guys. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching again. Today topic is we are going to discuss or learn about how to zip the multiple files of using CPI. Okay, in CPI how to zip the multiple files, and I want to zip all the files and I have to keep in one folder and I have to zip it and I have to place it into another folder or target folder. This is my requirement today, guys. So now I am going to create one iFlow to achieve that scenario. And now here I'll give like zipping multiple files, zipping multiple files I'm taking. And let's learn how to zip multiple files. Sorry. Now what I'll do, I'll in this case, guys, so I'll give one scenario. Let's say these are the files available in source file. I want to zip these three files and I have to place this in target folder uh, with zip folder. Okay, let's start here. So for that what I will do, uh, just I'm taking here timer, guys, and timer. Okay, and from timer to here, and I'll take looping process call external sorry internal looping process call here. Okay, and also I'll keep one local integration call to. So why I am taking looping process call here, so I want to pull this file by file, and all three files I want to pull, not only three, n number of files I have to pull. I have to merge these all files and I have to zip them and I have to send it to target. That is my requirement, right? So, so indirectly we will take sender as a SFTP adapter. What it will do, it will pull all the files at a time, but it will process separate different messages, like. Okay, but I want to merge together, right? I want to zip together. That's why how I will do, I will take this looping process call and file by file I will pick from this folder and I will zip them. Okay, now how can we pick it from from this folder is like let me cloud connector is running. Yeah, it is running, no problem. uh, Open cloud connector. Okay, admin. Okay, meanwhile I will start this local SFTP server. Okay, I have started the SFTP server here. Now I will check this connectivity. I have two sub accounts, guys. It is reachable from cloud connector. Okay, now what I will do, here go external call and poll enrich for SFTP to pull the file one by one. Here always we have to take sender system, guys, not receiver system, sender system only. Okay, no, so arrow I am doing like this, it will not work. We have to give like this. Okay, only SFTP adapter it will show because Poland it supports only SFTP adapter. Now come here, I have to give, I want to pull this from source. File name should be employee data, right? Employee data, sorry, here, employee data star dot csv. Okay, and address is, I will take address from here, guys. This is the address. Okay, and it would be on-prem. Here we have to give location ID. This is our location ID from Cloud Connector. Okay, and here we have to give user and password. We already saved username and password in our security material for on-prem. Okay, we have given this also. Okay, I have given this also. Now it will pull the data, right? It will pull the data from here. Delete the file, post processing, it will delete the file. Okay, it will delete the file, again it will pick second file, third file. Okay, then we have to give some condition here. Looping condition. What condition we need to give? So once files are, here all files are, completed and every file it picked, then we have to give some condition here, right? See, for first looping it will go and pick this file, okay, and delete, and second looping it will go here and delete it, and third looping it will go and delete it, and fourth looping call it will go here and it will search for the file will not be available, then we will receive some empty body. So we assume that we have to assume that whenever we encounter empty body, then the files are over. Okay, files are completed to pick, and we have to merge them whatever we have picked file, okay, till that time. Okay, for that purpose what I will do, I will give small Groovy. Okay guys, I'll create some Groovy here, Groovy script here. I'll create Groovy script here. Okay, Groovy script to check empty data, okay. How to check empty data? So I have already prepared that empty data, guys. This is small Groovy I have written. Okay, I'm storing body, so message body in body variable. Okay, I'm checking here if body is null or empty, then empty body is yes, means body is empty. In that case it will loop will be ended. Okay, loop should ended. If the empty body is no, then loop should be this loop should be work. Again it will. Okay, here we have to give the condition like what? This is not XML. Let's say non XML. This is I'm setting the property here, right? So empty payload. Okay, here property, right? And dollar property dot empty payload equal to no, means what? It pulled the file. Okay, it pulled the file. It contains some body, right? It set the property as no. No means this file contains body, right? So it will initiate again. Next call it will pull second file. Okay, after pulling the second file, it will set the property as again no. Why? Because data is available. We have maintained, right? If the body is null or empty only, it will set to yes, else it will set to no. So body is available, so it will set to again no parameter, this Groovy. So it will check the condition, still body is no, right? Still empty payload is no, means the payload is available. Again it will go to third loop, again it will pick. Okay, again it will set the property no. Okay, and fourth call it will go here again, go again, it will so all three process structure only. Fourth file was empty, fourth file is not there, so it will give empty payload, empty payload, so it will set to empty as no, it will go here. Okay, now property is yes, right, yes is equal to no, so it will terminate the looping process and it will give the output to target. Okay, so till now we will check how it works. Okay, how it will pick the file and how it will delete the files. Okay, everything. So now I have put here, you understood, I hope. This is bit complex one as well as bit confused subject, guys. Please carefully listen how I am doing here. So first file it will pick and it has the body, so it will set the property as no, empty body is no. No means still it is to check for next file also, assuming it has to check for next file also. Okay, so I put no, so again it will go to next call and it will pull this file. After pulling, it will check the body of this file. Okay, if contains, it means still we are assuming stem files will be there. Okay, again it will go to next call and it will pull this file. Okay, this file also having body, so still seems some data is available, so again it will pull and all go. So files are not available, again it will pull for file, but empty data returns. So empty data is yes. Yes means here we mention the condition as empty data no, right? So here yes is equal to no, condition fails, so it will go to next step. Loop will going to end and it will give the output to the next step. Okay, that is the condition. Till now whatever we have implemented, guys, we will check. We have to select local integration process here. After the condition, you have to select this local integration process condition, right? And also it is giving some error, so yeah, we have to select our file. I'm uploading it, I have it in my local drive. This is the check body, I have already saved. Okay, this is my Groovy, guys. It is very easy and simple steps. Okay, save, trace and deploy it. Let's see how it works, whether we are able to pull all the file or not. So after processing it should be deleted, right? Let me check whether deleted or not. Go here and check here, it is in processing. See why it is only 3 files, right? Only 3 loops. It went here, only one iteration happened. See, guys, how many iterations? Only 3 iterations, right? It should do. Why it is keep on picking the files? Why? Because let me explain you guys why. Because here after completion of whole flow only, this channel will delete this file. Okay, so in this case it is picking same file again and again and reprocessing. Because payload is available, it is not deleting. After completion of whole this iflow only, once it completed status only, it will delete. Post completion only it will delete. It is not completed, right? So our channel is not deleting the existing file, it is picking same file again and again. Even if you put post processing mechanism as delete, so after completion of complete iflow only, it will delete the existing file. Okay, it is picking n number of times, infinite times it will pull the same file again. This is not correct, right? It will go to hell. Let me undeploy this as of now. So I have undeployed it. Undeployed it to stop the process, guys. To stop the process, I have undeployed it. So how to achieve it? Then see, it is not deleting. Why? Because this flow is not completed. The SFTP behavior is after completion of the flow, only at the end it will delete the existing file. In this case, it is not deleting the file, it is picking the same file again and again. So only every time it is picking same file. If you want to check, we can check the payload as well. If the payload is available, we will check the payload as well. For every step it is picking same same file. See guys, it is picking the same file. So it is not good practice. So how do we have to handle this? So what I will do, I will create one more iFlow, guys. I will create one more iFlow where I will put this pole enrich condition. So see how it behaves now. I am going to create one more iFlow to add here. Okay. Here I will give HTTPS. Here address is slash file slash zipping. Okay, multiple files zipping. I'll give address as this. Okay, now here I'll go to external call pole enrich. Okay, take here sender again. SFTP. Okay, here again I will configure as it is whatever I configured here. First source, this is the source, this is the file, and this is the address. Okay, and this is on-prem, and this is username password. Okay, done. It is, see what it will do here. Save it and deploy this iFlow. First of all, deploy this iFlow, and instead giving this pole enrich, what I'll do, I'll take request reply here. Request reply here, it should be receiver again, guys. Here it should be receiver. Okay, here I'll take HTTP adapter. Here. Okay, here I'll give address of what? Previous one, address of previous this iFlow. Okay, let me check that iFlow's address here. It is still started. Okay, still the iFlow got not generated. So this is the address we have to give. Here get method, here credential should be, I will use what, basic. We have already created credentials guys here. Go here, for internal purpose username password, or we can give any worth to credentials, we can give basic authentication also, it will work, okay, for internal. So I have created basic authentication guys, like earlier user password I have created. This is my internal CPI. Within the CPI into class, same CPI credentials I have stored here. CPI credential I stored here. So I have to give address here, right? Let me, whether address generated or not. Yeah, address generated. I am going to give this address. So how it will work now, we'll see. Okay, save. Okay, first of all, are you able to fill the data here or not? We all check, right? Okay, anyway we will check later. Source, and this is the deletion file, right? So what it will do, once I run this iFlow, it will go here, okay, it will go to here and it will send the request to next iFlow. Okay, next iFlow receives the request and it will process. Let me deploy this as well. Okay, it is not entered. Again I deployed. Second iFlow, it will give the response and it will complete it. Once it completed, as soon as as soon as it will delete this file. Okay, it will delete this file. Again it will go, data is not null, so it will set the property as no, empty data as no. Again it will send the second request to here and it will call to second iFlow, it will pull the data. Again it will send back the data to here. Okay, again it will check the data, it is not empty, it means no. So the condition is true. Again it will pull the data from here. Okay, again it will go to request here, it will complete. So like that loop will be iterated through two iFlows, this iFlow and this iFlow. Okay, why? Because every time once request completed, it will delete the file and it will check the new file, next file. At the last file it will get the empty data. It will go here, empty data, it will check empty data yes or no. Yes equal to no, right? Here empty data what he kept equal to no, but this property will come yes. In that case the loop will be ended and it will send the data to next process. Okay, till now we will check whether it is looping process, it will work properly or not. Okay, let me keep the trace here also. Okay, deploy. So in this case guys, it should this second zip files to write, it should execute 3 times. It means it should execute complete it should complete 3 times and it should complete only 1 time. Okay, let's see. I have deployed. Now go to here, that is abandoned. Next process. Okay, this is C. It is second one first completed. So first file gone. Okay, 2 files gone, 2 times completed. See, 2 times completed, 3 times completed. Only 2 times completed. First one is still in processing. Okay, see, all this completed how many times? 3 times, total 4 times. See, first time it picked the file, 3 files we kept, right? First time it picked the file, second time it picked the file, third time it picked the file, fourth time it picked the empty data. So empty data false. So what it will do, looping process will end and it will send the data to target and the next step. See, in this case total 4 processing calls happen here. See guys, here first empty data it will send, from starting we will come first empty data, right? Go here, check this data is available. In next call, sorry, next step, check next step, empty data is no. See, empty payload, sorry, empty payload is no. That's why it will again send the again it will request for next call. Next call also happened, and next call this Groovy set the again empty payload status. Empty payload status we can see the next step. This step we can't see the data guys. No, this is second call, and this is third call. Third call also no, and fourth call. Fourth call here, right? Fourth call ended because empty payload is yes. Got it? Finally, what payload came? Empty payload only came. Empty payload only came. Why empty payload only came? Payload is not come. Actual payload. Why? Because we have not consolidated the payload. Every time it is arising or it is replacing with the next payload, right? It is last payload is empty. It is replaced with empty payload, and it will send to target. So I have to consolidate the empty payload here. Okay. Now what I will do here? Some tricky guys. Here we need to store file name and what? And payload. File name and payload to consolidate. So here if you check here headers, file name you can't see. Here or here, anywhere you can't see file name. See, file name is not available in first flow. In second flow, right? Second flow, this is okay, empty came, right? Before that one I will check. In this is the third iteration. In this flow we can see the file name here, right? Camel file name. We have to store file name and body together to combine or to zip the file. Let me give you example here. So for that what I will do, here I'll take one content modifier. Okay, here I'll take one content modifier guys. In content modifier what I'll do, I'll store here body, file name, property, not property. I'll prepare here like expression, payload, end tag of payload. Okay, this is payload end tag guys, and here I'll give file name equal to what? Header. I am calling header value guys here. If you see here header value only, right? This is header value. This is the file name. I am copying this property name, header property name here from here, and in second flow dollar header. How to call header property guys? Like this. Okay, I stored here, and I'm closing this property. Also what I'll do, I'll keep payload. What payload? SFTP payload, SFTP body. So let's say SFTP body. This is SFTP body, SFTP response body guys. SFTP response body I'll keep here like dollar in dot body. Okay, in dot by. Okay, file name I stored in one parameter, one XML tag. Okay, also body also I stored in one XML tag. Okay, and before that I'll keep I'll keep this what groovy here only, that empty body groovy. Why we need to keep groovy here, I'll tell you later. Okay, this is my groovy, and I'll select the groovy. Sorry, cancel. Yes, I assign the groovy. It is not there, right? I'll upload from my local desktop. This is the groovy. So this set the property as a property also I am storing inside this payload. Okay, empty body body. Property name, guys, what is the property name I mentioned? Empty payload, right? Empty body dollar property dot empty payload. Okay, also I am closing. Okay, for every file what I am doing here, for every file I am I'm checking the incoming file has body or not, and I'm storing that status in one XML tag. I am storing file name in one XML tag. Also I am storing in body in an XML tag. Okay, total this is the body. Okay, this response will come to where? Will come to here. Okay, here this is not required. What I will do here, once it comes here, oh shit. Oh, anyway, sorry guys, I mistakenly removed it. Okay, assign, we already uploaded, right? Assign. Okay, this response, see, file empty or not status, and file name, and this SFTP body all together in one XML file. As a response, it come to here main flow, like here. Okay, like to here. Okay, after here what I will do, I have to append each and every payload. This is not required. I'll keep one content modifier, guys. Here in content modifier, from source XML I am receiving what I am receiving, this property, right? Empty body XML tag I am receiving with the status. Okay, so you can give any name, guys. Okay, empty payload equal to xpath slash. So I am storing this, okay, I am storing this empty body tag field value here. Why? Because it contains the status yes or no, right? That tag I am storing here java dot lang dot string. Okay, I am storing here. Okay, empty payload. After storing this payload, what I'll do after storing this payload, if the empty payload is no need to process from here, right? So for that purpose I take router here, router, also end event here. If what are the property name here, guys? What is the property here? What is the property name here maintained? Empty payload, right? Empty payload is no, then we have to process further. Okay, non-XML dollar property dot this property, okay, equal to no. If no, it will go, else it will go here default. Okay, go default. Okay, same property I will maintain here. If the empty property is no, it will go again payload, right? Okay, if the empty payload, it will recall this. If not, it will end the loop and it will go out. Okay, this empty payload at the end comes, right? That is not required. Okay, now what I will do here, I'll take one content modifier again. Here carefully observe guys what I am doing. This is some trick interface, complex interface for beginners especially. What I will do, once this XML data comes from here, right, what will come? File name, body and status, everything come. I want to store this in one variable. I want to store this body in one variable. Okay, click on content modifier. What I'll do, add here current payload. Okay, this is current payload. I'll give here expression here dollar in dot body in dot body body java dot lang dot string. Okay, suppose guys here what I'll give you some clarification why I am doing here. I am adding this. First it will pick the file. Okay, pick the file. Okay, pick the file and come, and here we have formed some XML, right? This form, it will form the XML with a SFTP body. It contains empty body tag, also file name, also body. Okay, SFTP body. After coming here, this is the payload. Okay, this is the payload. So what I did, I have stored this status no rs in one empty payload variable. Okay, through this exchange property. Okay, this property empty payload contains the yes or no. So in first case no. So again it will check here two conditions. If it is equals no, then it will go yes, it will go. Now it will store the body. It will store the body in one current payload. It will go to next next one, right? Yes, next one. So one minute. So guys, here current payload, right? Current payload, wait a minute, I'll take first run. Yeah, first run it will go and pick the file. Okay, the body will come, and second run again it will pick. We have to append these two payloads, so in second one and first one. Okay, how can we append that? Let me check. This is the not case. First of all, I'll create one append payload. Append payload. In that body. Before that, what I'll do? Convert. Okay. Convert. Here not required. Here expression. Here we have file, right? Here we have stored appended one. Let's say appended body. This is appended body, earlier call dollar property dot, okay, append, and we have to add current payload, whatever coming from. I'll explain you guys again. I think you bit confusion. Please, once you practice it only in dot body. Okay, so property dot append. Next append, it will append the this appended payload, both the messages, right, previous message and this message, right, that appended body will be here in this. So let me check, let me explain you this, guys. First it will pick the file, okay, pick the file. First it will initiate the call here, go here, it will go here, and it will call to next one, and we have it will pick the first file data, and it will manipulate some payload like this: body, file name, and file name, empty body, and with the SFT we have manipulated, right, some body, and it will give the response here, okay, response here, response back come here, okay. And after completion of this, once it gives the response, it will delete the first file, okay. Let's say it delete the first file, done, okay. And come here, what again, I am setting the parameter empty payload here. We have, right, empty payload status, okay. It has empty payload no, right, so it set the property as no. Next it will go, it will check the router condition, router has no, so it will go here. It will append the body, previous body payload it's not available, right, it will append with empty, okay, current body. And again what I am doing, a entire body I am storing into append payload parameter. So append payload parameter contain what, first file body, okay. This is contain what, first file body. Now first file body, okay. And go to here, parameter will check the condition, it has no, yes, success. Again it will go to second call, again it will call this one, okay. As usual it will pick second file, and it will keep the body is this one, okay. And it will come to here, and it will deleted already second file, right, that file, completion of that, and go here, and it will append and it will store the body here, response status, okay. Still body picked up, right, so no, so it will go here, it will go, and this append body we are appending previous payload, this appended, right, we already stored first file body along with the second body, this contains the second file, so we have appended the second file as well, second iteration, okay. Second iteration, again it will go here, and it will check the loop condition, again it will check the loop condition here, no, okay, successful. Again it will go here, and again it will pick the third file through second iteration, it will manipulate the body, and it will complete and send the response back to here, okay. And it will delete the third file as well, okay. No third file, and it appended the third file body with previous appended. This file is it contained first and second file, right, first and second file body. And in third iteration this appended payload contains what, third, second, and third file, okay, third file body, okay. Three bodies came, okay. And it will go here, and again it will call empty payload, no, okay, condition satisfied, it will go here, and it will call here. Now here file is not there, and it will go, and it will set the status as guys, yes, empty payload, empty body, yes, it is now, body is yes, and it will go, and it will give the response back to here, and here we set the empty payload here, yes, and it will check the condition empty payload, yes. So first condition failed, so it will go to end, it means it will not go to here. So this appended payload property contains first, second, and third file body body data, and it will come here, Here also condition will fail, it give this to next next step what I am giving, next type I am calling here this property this property contains first, second and third files, right? Yeah, dollar property. Okay, finally we appended the property dot appended, right? Property dot appended. Okay, property dot appended payload. Okay, so here three files data came here. Here we have to again manipulate something, okay, with that XML data. Let me check whether it is okay. What happened here? Property dollar we have to put mentioned. So sometimes we used to do some mistakes. Dollar. Here also we have to take non-XML dollar. Okay. Here we mention dollar, right? It is dollar, not required here. Here body dollar property dot append payload. Okay. Here we have maintain pen payload in dot body. Okay, everything is perfect. Here also property dot and previous one. Here also dollar property dollar header dollar in dot body. Okay, yeah, let's deploy it. We'll see. Save and deploy it. So three files data we should receive, right? I am placing the files again, three files, Control C, Control V, save and deploy. So zipping files at one time 321, right? 321 not started yet. Yeah, one completed, 321, and this is still processing. Okay, second completed, it is still processing. Okay, finally all are completed. Okay, now check the data whether three files data came or not in final output. This said download payload. Language XML, payload 1, payload 2, payload 3. Okay, see here no came, that we have skipped the last payload here. Where we have skipped the guys? In first, right? We have skipped the last payload here, empty payload here. Why? Because status was yes. Okay, so skip, three payloads came with the file name, along with the file name. Now we have to again form these three payloads in separate files with file names, and we have to, or guys, we have to merge them or zip them. Now the first step completed, come to the second step. This is bit complex one, guys, please carefully observe. Okay, now what I'll do, after coming this payload, coming again, I will use what splitter. I will use not splitter. So for this, root is not there, so splitter will not work. Why? Because these payloads are different, independent, three separate payloads. Okay, for this root root tag is not available. So to split these payloads one by one or at XPath level, so our splitter will not work, will not support. We have to give some root tag. Okay, we have to give root tag. We can give any root tag, guys. Here I'll give some XYZ. Any tag you can give here. Some EMP data I'll give. Data, for example, some EMP data I have given here. Okay, root tag I have given. Now what I will do, I'll take the splitter here, go here, splitter, general splitter take. Okay, take the general splitter. XPath / where we need to, for every payload we need to split. Okay, for every payload we need to split. How many? Only one record. Okay, after splitting that, what I will do, I'll take one more content modifier here. Okay, content modifier. I will create two properties, guys. One is for body, two properties here. One is for SFTP body, or else SFTP file body, and file name I'll give. Okay, file name. Here I'll give XPath. Here also I'll give XPath. In first XPath I will store body. This tag contains body, right? So that XML path I am giving, and this file name contains file name. File name, you can give any name, guys. Here not only file name, you can give any name, but I am giving file name. No need to give same name here also, but you can give any name. Okay, file name. Here java.lang.string. Here also java.lang.string. Okay, file name you can give. Okay, file name 1 I have given here, file name. Okay, and file name came, and file name 1 came, right? No, what I'll do, okay, and here take another content modifier. I stored this body, right? I body again, I'll keep it in where? Inside the body. Okay, inside the body. Dollar property dot property dot SFTP file body. Okay, so file body. Now finally only one file body complete, only that CSV body contains CSV body I have placed in the main message flow. Okay, after this what I'll do, file name, no, right? After this call I'll take gather, put gather here. Okay, gather here. Gather will aggregate the, give here any, here zip, guys. Here we have to give the file name. File name already we have stored the property, right? This is the property name. Here what it will do, again I'm creating the file, guys. What I'm doing, I'm picking the file, I'm reading the data inside this, and again I'm placing preparing the file for zipping. Okay, here dollar property dot file name. So again it will prepare same file here and zip it. Okay, with the same data. Let me check all the properties. property expression. Okay, here zip property dot file name. Here body is nothing. Here SFTP file body java.lang.string. Here this is not required. Anyway, here we have already tested, right? Now we will see whether these all files will going to you know go on, right? Again I will place the files, 3 files. Again I will run this flow. Deploy. So zip file should be available, guys. Now $329. Yes, it's processing, still processing. Yes, completed. 4 steps, guys. File, empty file, ended. Okay, go here and check directly end of the flow. This content zip. So zip can't we can't check, right? Go to folder. This is the folder, right? I will rename it as zip. Open it. See, files are available. So okay, till okay, I have to place these files, zip files in one folder. Okay, so I'll do one thing. I'll go here and I'll take SFTP for file, guys. Here again we have to give directory target. I am going to take one directory, guys. Here source is there, right? Here target. I'll place the file here. Okay, target directory, and file name is like emp data zipped file underscore dot zip. Okay, I'll give any name, but I have given some meaningful data here. emp data zipped file underscore dot csv. I will append the here also. Here I have to give the target connectivity details. Here same SFT I am using for receiver also, so I am giving same SFTP details. Pen location ID, this is the location ID, and should be user. This is my user. Processing, no need to create directories, and this is all not required. Okay, now check, save, and let me place the files, guys. Control C, source. I have placed the files, and target directory, that zip file should be available, right? Let me check, save and deploy it. One. Now time is 3:32, not yet started. 1 completed, 2 completed, 2 completed, 3 completed, still in processing. There is this one. This should complete. Okay, 4 files completed. Now it should, yeah, it is also completed. Now check the source, files gone. Now check the target. Yeah, file came. Open it. We have zipped successfully. Yeah. Okay, this is bit complex one, guys. Yeah, please thoroughly have to practice this multiple times, then only people can easily do it. Guys, if you see the same scenario or same zipping scenario in easier than what I developed, please let me know, or please ping me, or please post the comments of URLs, or blogs, or videos, YouTube links, so that I will check, guys. This is in my own way I have prepared it. Okay. Thanks everyone for watching my videos. Yeah, please keep sharing, and share to your friends and colleagues, and keep watching. I support me, guys, for more updates. Thank you. Bye.